Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News, the location to where we trade different. Today is November the 28th, 2020. We're going to give you all the update on REN, paired against Tether on the Binance market. So if this is your first time watching our video, make sure you guys appreciate our forecast, our predictions, that you hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. There are other links in the description of this video if you guys want to participate with our other community members on Facebook, also on the gram, and even on Twitter. Website HueFinancial.com. You guys can go there and see more other newsworthy events that is occurring in the financial space. So REN, here we are, coming back, showing you all what the trap has done since our last video in REN, which is on November the 6th, 2020. We told you back in November, beginning of November, to look for REN to go higher in price. And you guys can already tell this is the performance. This is the positions that the trap has laid down since then. So there's no surprise for us to see REN moving higher in price. It wasn't no surprise because we expected that back in November. So it came to fruition. Ultimate TP really came through the next day after we completed our video, but we came and hit it multiple days. You guys can see that right there. So 11.76% profitability completed, done, it's over. We're not here for all of that. That is historical information. What we do here, we're looking into the future. We're predicting. So let's go ahead and get rid of this. And the question is, what trend are we in? There can only be three trends that any market can trade. The first one, higher. The second one, sideways. The third one, lower. Period. So looking at this chart in REN, what trend are we currently in REN? If you said sideways, congratulations, because that is precisely what this market in REN is doing. We're just simply in a consolidation of range. We are trading in a channel between restriction of 40 cents and support in and around 25 cents. Okay. So we're laying out the battlefield. We're laying out the course of action that the trap is anticipated to go, or he's anticipated to do. Now, within this trading channel, what is the current emotional sentiment of the trap? That's the question to you. Is he feeling strong? Is he feeling weak? Or he's not feeling anything at all? He's just trading in this channel. He's content with trading the market within these two lines. What do you think? So let's take a real quick look into the market in REN. And on the 3-day chart, I'm also seeing another restriction area in the market, which is a lot closer to where the market currently is trading at. And it's right here at 35 cents. So this is near-term restriction into the market in REN, 35 cents. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring this down a little bit lower towards this vicinity, because this area is closer to where the market action is, even though we know that 40 cents is restriction too. But we need to make the area of concern closer to where the market is trading at. So that's why we're going to bring it down lower. So now, currently, yeah, the market is weak. It is what it is. There's nothing you and I can do about it. The only thing that we can do is just prepare for what is to happen going forward. Right? So we have the market showing us weakness on the 3-day time frame. Show you what's going on to the market on the 5-day. Right? We're still seeing weakness. The only thing that's going to stop this weakness, or i.e. the market going lower in REN, is holding support right here at 30. That's it. We break 30 cents to the downside, we will continue to go lower to around 28, all the way back down towards 26 cents. I'm telling you that now. Look at the market real quick in REN on a weekly time frame. And yes, This here in the long term is still confirming that the market in REN is still giving us a little bit more weakness here than strength. The only thing that would obliterate the weakness is the trap holding 30 cents right here. And he's trying to do that right now, matter of fact. What about a monthly time frame? Not a lot's going on into REN right now on the monthly time frame. We're definitely seeing over the last 3 months in REN selling. That's it. First month, September, October, and then once again in November, there's definitely selling going on for the last 3 consecutive months. There's no doubt about it. Now, there is someone here into the market REN that is consuming all of the selling that has been going on over the last 3 months. Another thing you can see here is that the market trend in REN is still one of higher price. We're still in an uptrend for REN, and I want to show you that. Just for those long-term holders into the market as currency, you can see right here that REN is still in an uptrend. Okay, so this is the long-term trajectory of what the trap is trying to do in REN as of this moment. Okay, we're just taking a small detour right here trading this channel, but overall this is the trend here into the market in REN. It simply means that the market can still drop. All right, he can still take the value of REN down 27%, and this trend will still be in place. Just wanted to show you that. All right, so let's get rid of this, and we're going to put a forecast into the market in REN. It is going to be one of weakness, though. We are anticipating the market to go lower in REN, and the only thing that will go against our forecast, like I told you, is holding support at 30 cents. That's it. Besides that, the anticipation of weakness is definitely forecast to play out. So that's it. Now it's your turn. What are your expectations into the market in REN? The only caveat is that we're paying attention to is 30 cents. He holds 30 cents. This forecast that we are delivering, it's not going to be right. That was your turn. What is your forecast? What is your prediction? Let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability and trade different.